Yo, what's good, ZaaiderHood? It's Zaider here, making a Cold War video. We are rocking the AUG nail gun today. We're gonna get the class set up either now or in the end. It's literally a live comm. I'm literally just going straight into it. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys around. Let's get it. We're gonna hop right in this. AUG nail gun, here we go. I'll do the attachments at the end. The nail gun, I haven't used it that much in here, but it is pretty nice. I got Captain Kayla here with me too to keep me entertained in this game because I really do not like playing this solo.
Team deathmatch.
Word team meta. I was gonna use the M16, but I have that max already, and I need to get the AUG leveled up. The AUG and the nail gun both, actually. If I could find where they're spawning or something, that would be cool.
There's a guy laying down in
Yep. Nice.
he's behind me.
Now see with this nail gun, like I was just telling Captain Kayla, I think they knew what they were doing with this because, oh, that guy just got shit on. I think they knew what they were doing with this because tell me a gun in Call of Duty right now that you cannot at least add another ammo variant to it or something. You can always put another clip on a gun. Nice. Oh. That was our first death. I didn't even feel like I should have died 2-3 more times right there, but
Hostile spy plane established overhead.
I'm trying so hard just to use this gun, but man, I hate it. Oh, that's teammate. I'm bad teammate.
I know I said this was an AUG nail gun, but I've been using the nail gun more. It's just hard not to use it up close. It just bodies, dude. I'm gonna start using it in Warzone, so. The way you die sometimes in Cold War is it's just crazy. I just feel like I'm just shooting Nerf bullets sometimes. Thought that was a person. No. Now I'm just gonna all of a sudden get melted here.
I've accepted defeat at this point because I've used this gun.
Oh, you make it sound like you're using like a... It's bad now, trust me.
Oh, right now it's
Enemy napalm strike incoming.
I'm not even gonna lie.
I know, you're making it seem like you're using a knife and a... Now I can't find anybody. I started off really hot and now I'm just kind of dying down slowly. But no, if you hit your shots right with this AUG, you can pretty much one burst. It just really depends. That guy was really going to try and do that to me. I just threw the poison dart variant camo on it, I think is what this is from the last season.
Attack helicopter is ready to deploy.
There you go.
In it, is it just doesn't feel like
They're all bombarding me in here.
Strafe run awaiting your
There's a guy in this building. I don't know how we're still alive here.
Expandable launch.
But no, I'm glad I have somebody to play with here because literally Cold War, I play Warzone mainly, so I just use this game to level up guns because it's just really hard to do in Warzone just by itself.
Enemy action.
They have a harp now. No, dude. See, that's what I mean, bro. How can I not put more bullets in the nail gun or more nails?
Spy plane established overhead.
There's sometimes when you shoot this thing and it doesn't kill in a burst, but or when your strafe run is just fucking destroying everybody.
Enemy napalm strike incoming. Victory is close. Crush those cold bastards. Enemy sentry turret detected in your AO.
No, he's just in the corner. These guys got really scared the last half. Nice shot. Teammates carrying hardcore though.
yeah. I wish I could just get on like Newtown or something.
Whoa, homie. A rocket launcher? Really? Now, like I said though, this is not bad, dude. This is a nice little Warzone or Cold War setup.
Looks like we got the bastards. All squad members are
Not a
civilian.
bad game right there.
We need to hit them again. Keep them off
I
balance.
think it'd be better, but
My teammate went hard.
Here it goes.
I think if you get on your map, you actually could have a little bit of a better game there.
Probably.
I just feel like that game was kind of slow.
Well, we'll wrap this one up. I will do it in case I don't get any better gameplays. But pretty much right here, I'm running the Millstop, Infantry Compensator, Strike Team Barrel, the Field Agent foregrip, just the standard 45 round drum, and the field tape, and then obviously rocking the nail gun solo dolo there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is my first kind of longer Call of Duty video, just trying to get a gameplay up there for you guys. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the content, and I will see you guys around. Zaider out. Peace.